What's the word? Huh? What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? Hop on the scene like what's the word? Original visuals back with another one, do it no other way. Changing the colorway. Louis is minimal, blue act with the royal ones.
The royal blue ones?
Rare individual, rude boy is my native tongue.
Bad man.
Nike my ritual, quality, this is on feet. Everything digital, need kicks, you can call me. Value is critical, clean whip, this is all me. Pull up with the package so nothing is average. The latest in fashion, subscribe to the channel, I'll give you the status if you wanna grab it. Hop on the scene like what's the word? Original visuals back with another one, do it no other way. Changing the colorway. Louis is minimal, blue act with the royal ones. Rare individual, rude boy is my native tongue.
Bad man.
Nike my ritual, nigga.
What's the word, YouTube? And I'm back with another visual from your boy Original. You see what we got going on here. Another Jordan for your head top. But before we get into these fire red threes, make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. All is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Okay, so we have the fire red threes right here. These released September 10th, 2022. My bad, y'all. I am running late on all my releases this year. I'm running late and I'm sorry. With my son doing football, my daughter in cheerleading, me being a full-time barber, I only have the weekends to do videos. Sometimes I can push them out during the week. Sometimes, if it's not so hectic. You feel what I'm saying? All those who have children and their children with their extracurricular activities, you know how it gets for us adults. It gets crazy. I'm sorry that I haven't been consistent with my content. Please forgive me. I have 3 more shoes to drop this weekend, and they're coming this weekend. Stay tuned. So we have the fire red threes right here. And in this video, as well as all my other videos, we will be discussing colorway, quality, and if you should cop or not. Let's start with the colorway. On the bottom of the midsole here, you have that gray trimming around the bottom. You have a white on our forefoot. We have the red Nike words. We have the red at the top of our forefoot. Continuing on to the midsole, we have a white midsole. We have red on top of that. On our toe cap, you see that elephant print. Continuing on to our toe box, we have a genuine plush leather. Continuing on to the tongue, we have a gray tongue. We have white at the top of the tongue with the red Jumpman. We have the gray on our side paneling. Continuing on to the collar of the shoe, we have a gray in the collar of our shoe. Continuing on to the back, we have gray at the bottom. We have white on top of that. We have a red on top of that. And we have an elephant print on the back. We have that iconic pull tab with the Nike Air in red. These fire red threes is fire. I'm so happy they came back out with these this year. I'm unaware of when these released last time. I didn't have them, you know what I'm saying? So when I edit this, I'll throw it up for you guys, show you when they're released previously. But what I do remember from the last release is that the elephant print we have here was a lot darker. So this 2022 new release is much more true to the OG we seen in 80-something, 88, I believe. I may be wrong, don't quote me, sorry. Anyway, the colorway to these fire red threes right here, solid 8 out of 10. Solid. These joints is fire. This was a very highly anticipated release for me. I'm so happy I acquired these joints. I'm just sorry I couldn't get you the guys this video when they dropped. I'm sorry for that. So colorway, you get the 8 out of 10. Continuing on to the quality. The quality we have here is standard. Well, it's better than standard. But starting at the bottom of the sole, we have a rubber, predominantly rubber outer sole. The white, the red, the gray is all rubber. Continuing on to the midsole, again with the rubber, we have white, we have red, all rubber. Continuing on to the toe box area, the toe cap area of this shoe, we have the elephant print, which is this is a suede. The elephant print we have here is suede, fire. Continuing on to the tongue is gray with the perforated holes in it. We have the flat rope laces in white. We have the synthetic leather tongue at the top, and we have the red Jumpman stitched in red on top of that. The collar of our shoe is in a cotton. The cotton is gray. Continuing on to the back of the shoe, we have a gray rubber at the bottom. We have a white rubber above that and a red rubber above that. Our elephant print, like I just told you, is of suede material, and I much rather this elephant print light gray, being true to the OG. I really appreciate Nike giving us this joint right here, true to the OG, true to what we seen it released the first time it ever released. Thank you, Nike, for that. So the white genuine leather you see here is defined. It's plush, it's soft, it's buttery. They did a good job with the quality of this shoe right here, and I really appreciate you, Nike, for dropping us a quality Jordan 3. These Fire Reds is fire. So when it comes to quality, this Fire Red 3 right here gets the 9 out of 10. Solid 9. I'm not going any lower. These deserve it. This was a very highly anticipated release for me, like I just said, and it really stands up to what we all know these J's should be. You feel me? Okay. Should you cop the Fire Red 3? Yes, you should cop the Fire Red 3. You know why? These released for $210. Resale stores are selling them around $250. Grab them, man. This shoe, I give it 6 months. This shoe's gonna be for something. Just like the True Blues, just like the Black Cement 3s. You're gonna need these for your collection. The Nike Air on the back, you don't want that? The Nike Air on J's for me, it just sums up everything for me. I love Jordans that have the Nike Air on the back. It's like nostalgia. It's nostalgic for me. I love seeing the Nike Air on the back of Jordans. It's fire. So yeah, cop them. Like I said, the prices aren't too high. This Fire Red 3 right here is one of the best J's to release this year. And it's only about $250. I hope you guys would cop them now versus to waiting later on to spend a whole arm and a leg for them. So yeah, cop them. I think you should. I don't see why not. Okay, y'all, I'm pushing 500 subscribers. Keep tuning into my videos. Keep commenting. Keep liking. Keep sharing. Keep doing everything you can to help this channel grow. I'm doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers. You have to be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, and I need proof. So after you leave that comment, I need proof that you're following me on my social media, my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. So make sure you do that. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for watching my videos. We are going up, y'all. You see what's going on. But before I get to the on-foot segment of this video, make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. All is greatly appreciated. Thank you.